An epoch is a point in time used as a reference for some event. In the context of computer science and technology, an epoch is typically used as a reference point for the internal clock of a computer or other device. For example, the Unix operating system uses the Unix epoch, which is the number of seconds that have elapsed since January 1, 1970, as the reference point for its internal clock. A Unix timestamp is a way of representing a specific point in time as a numerical value. The Unix timestamp is the number of seconds that have elapsed since the Unix epoch. Because the Unix timestamp is a numerical value, it can be easily stored, compared, and manipulated using computer software. In many cases, the Unix timestamp is used to represent the date and time in a specific time zone. However, it can also be used to represent the date and time in a specific time zone, as well as the time zone itself. The Unix timestamp is widely used in computer systems, including web servers, databases, and other applications. For example, when a web server receives a request from a client, it may use the current Unix timestamp to help generate a unique session ID for the client. Similarly, a database may use the Unix timestamp to help track when a specific record was last updated. In addition to its use in computer systems, the Unix timestamp is also used in other areas of technology. For example, the GPS system used in many modern cars and mobile devices uses a variant of the Unix timestamp, known as GPS time, to help track the location of devices. Overall, the Unix timestamp is a versatile and widely used tool for representing and manipulating dates and times in computer systems and other technology. It provides a simple and standardized way of representing time, which makes it easy to use in a wide range of applications. Now let's see some of the frequently asked questions on epoch and Unix timestamp. What is the difference between an epoch and a Unix timestamp? An epoch is a reference point in time, while a Unix timestamp is the number of seconds that have elapsed since the Unix epoch. What is the Unix epoch? The Unix epoch is the point in time used as a reference by the Unix operating system and other computer systems. It is the number of seconds that have elapsed since January 1, 1970. How is a Unix timestamp used? A Unix timestamp is used to represent a specific point in time as a numerical value. It is used in many computer systems, including web servers, databases, and other applications, to track and organize data. How can I convert a Unix timestamp to a human-readable date and time? There are various ways to convert a Unix timestamp to a human-readable date and time, such as using programming languages like Python, JavaScript, and PHP, or using online tools like Epoch Unix Timestamp Converter. What is the maximum value of a Unix timestamp? The maximum value of a Unix timestamp is the number of seconds that can be stored in a signed 32-bit integer, which is approximately 3.15 times 109. This corresponds to the year 2038, after which the Unix timestamp will overflow. Is there a difference between local time and Unix timestamp? Yes, there is a difference. Local time is the time in a specific time zone, while the Unix timestamp is the number of seconds that have elapsed since the Unix epoch, which is based on coordinated universal time. Can we store a Unix timestamp in a database? Yes, it can be stored as an integer value in a database and can be converted to a human-readable format when needed for display. Is there any alternative to Unix timestamp? Yes, there are alternatives such as the GPS time, Java timestamp, and Microsoft timestamp. Each of them have different properties and are used in different contexts.